Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Dufour puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dutch puzzle designer Dr. Volker Latussek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Dufour puzzle is named after Guillaume Henri Dufour, one of the founders of the International Red Cross. That's why this puzzle has a red cross in its design. The Dufour puzzle is made of two different kinds of wood, pin oak and padauk. It has difficulty level 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to remove all parts and put them back in such a way that none of them are going to stick out of the frame. So now, as you can see, it looks like impossible to do, but if you remove these parts, you will see that on the bottom there is enough space to fit all parts, so all of them supposed to be inside below the line of the frame. And actually this puzzle has second object, and the second object is to put all parts inside the frame in such a way that you're going to create the red cross again. And the second object is going to be as difficult as the first one. So when you buy this puzzle, you get two difficult challenges in one. So if you like Dufour puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the Dufour puzzle. So first we have to remove all parts from the frame. That's pretty easy to do. And now we have to take a closer look at all parts. And we have to do it because there are 8 parts here. And you can put them in 4 groups of 2. So it's going to be 2 parts, these 2 more parts, these 2 parts, and there's 6 parts, and there are 2 more parts like this. Okay, now the most challenging part is to figure out which 4 parts do we have to use now, since to make it a little bit easier to assemble this puzzle, we have to grab 4 parts and make half of a shape that we have to put inside the frame, and then create the second half from 4 other parts, put them together and put inside the frame. So that's quite difficult to figure out which parts to use, and let me remember which parts do I have to use. So that's going to be this part as well. Next it's going to be this part, and the last part is probably going to be this one. So let's try to do it with these 2 parts. So we have to put these 2 parts like this. Now we have to take this part and put it right there. Yeah, that looks like right. And the last piece goes right here, and we were able to create the first half of the frame, of the shape that we have to put inside the frame. Now we have to do exactly the same with these parts, and let's try to figure out what to do. So we have to take these 2 parts, put them together like this, or maybe that's not these parts. Yeah, this puzzle is quite a challenge. So let me try again. So if I put this part, no, it's better to take a look at this part, and that's going to help me to create what I need to do. So first I think that I've missed, I have to use this piece. Okay, I have to use this piece with one of these parts, but which one is it going to be? Yeah, that's going to be probably this part. No, not this part. Again, we can take a look at the first part that we have created, and let's see what we can do. If I put it like this, it does look like correct way. Okay, now we have to grab the second part and put it like this. And the last piece, we have to put it right here. Yeah, finally, I've been able to create the... Nope, something is wrong, since there is a sticking out part there. Yeah, I have to flip this piece. And now we have two exactly the same shapes. We have to put them together, but that might take a little bit time since it's not easy to figure out. Okay, that's it. And now we can put everything inside, and as you can see, we were able to fit all parts inside the frame. And that was the first object of the puzzle. Now we have to remove all parts and create another shape that has a red cross on top. And this one is going to be a little bit more challenging since I didn't find any logic here, so I have to try to remember which parts do I have to use to make the correct shape. So that's going to be definitely this part. I start from the bottom, it's a little bit easier for me. So these are two parts that I have to use. So the next one, I have to find the piece that I'm going to put right here on the side. And as I remember, it's going to be this piece. And the next one, I have to fit something here. There's going to be a piece that, probably this one. If I put it right here, it's going to create a part of the cross on top. Okay, now we have to figure out some other parts that we have to use. So this piece, probably it's supposed to be here. But now we have to find another piece that I can put here, and that looks like this piece. Yeah, this piece you can fit right here and here on top. And now we have only two parts, and if I made it right, I will be able to put all parts correct. But I think that I made a mistake somewhere. Yeah, I think that I have to check something here is wrong. So let's try again. Now, I know that this part's supposed to be right there, and definitely we can find another piece that's gonna be with it, and I think it's gonna be something like this. Okay, so this piece is gonna be right here. This piece will go there, and as you can see, we have like a half of a cross on top. And now we just have to figure out the way how to fit the rest parts, and that is quite easy now. And as you can see, the puzzle is assembled again with the red cross on top, and we can put it inside the frame. And that's it, the Dufour puzzle is solved. Quite a difficult puzzle, even just to explain how to solve it took me about 8 minutes, so it's gonna take you probably hours to figure out how to solve this puzzle by yourself. So if you like Dufour puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Dr. Volker Latussek or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!